This is the coldest case ever in Rapides Parish, with charges that date from 1979 against a children's television personality from Monroe, who reportedly took children on camping trips here in Rapides Parish. He's accused of taking sexual advantage of boys, now men, but his lawyers say it's just not true. Frank Szelas, whose last name is even an issue, is now 77, has grown children and grandchildren who traveled from as far as Pennsylvania to testify on his behalf. Despite Szelas' medical issues and his showing of family support, the state feels if bond is granted, he may never return, especially when you consider Szelas' extensive travel history and his home is 20 miles from the Mexico border.
Well, I felt like that was important because with Bonita being close to Mexico, of course he could potentially go across the border and be in another country where we may not be able to find him again. And then the spelling of the last name, I thought it was an issue because for so many years law enforcement could not find him. And one thing that people potentially do to evade law enforcement is change their name, change their identity.
Meanwhile, Szelas' attorneys, Mike Small and California attorney Mark Carlos, whom the family hired as co-counsel, believe that Szelas' medical condition, including a fall suffered last week, prevent him from being a flight risk. Small says the parish jail is not equipped to treat a patient with Szelas' needs.
I think it's much more important because of the health issue resulting from the injuries he sustained during the recent fall, that he be outside of a jail facility. There is no serious doubt that he can be better cared for were he on the outside as opposed to any facility. And that's not the fault of the Rapides Parish Jail, but they don't have even an infirmary. They had medical staff, but the report we introduced from the neurosurgeon indicated he had a serious brain injury. I mean, we're talking about a 77-year-old man who sustained a serious injury. He needs treatment, and I think that's apparent, and hopefully that'll be factored into is the judge's opinion. It's not determinative of the outcome, but it's certainly something to be considered.
No verdict was rendered today. Judge Doggett put the case under advisement and said a decision could be possibly made in the next week. Bennett Rowland Jr., ABC 31 News.